Hey Gem, search Google for various dog breeds.
Alright, I will open Google Chrome and search for various dog breeds.
Which dog breed is this?
The dog breed shown in this image is the Basenji.
Hey Gem, create a Word document about global warming. Also add a few images.
Understood. I will now create a Word document about global warming along with a few images. Let me take a look at the entire essay first. I have identified all the mistakes in the essay. I have now made corrections to your essay. The key corrections are people's changed to people is already plural, became changed to become, correct tense usage, specially changed to especially, correct word choice, including changed to including, spelling correction, concern changed to concerns, plural form needed, it's changed to its, possessive form, not a contraction, to changed to, correct preposition usage throughout, effects changed to effects, noun form needed, has shown changed to have shown, agreement with plural studies, moreover changed to moreover. Correct word usage.
Hey Gem, can you draw me a cute fox holding a sign that says vote for Project Gem?
Sure, I can draw you a cute fox holding a sign that says vote for Project Jam.